I have a standard response on this stuff when people say, how do I get published? You know, I've given so many of these talks. You sit there and all these people are looking at you going, oh, how do I get published? To which my response is, ask not what poetry can do for you. Ask what you can do for poetry. Every strong poet I know alive now, who I can think of, doesn't just sit in a garret and write poems and send them out and get published and kick back. They teach. They write book reviews. They edit. They publish. They write curriculum. They raise money. Don't underestimate that. Somebody's got to do it. They sit on the boards of nonprofits, and so on and so on and so on and so forth. Dana Gioia was the chair of the NEA, for God's sake. Talk about service. Dave Mason taught for decades at Colorado College. Alicia Stallings, a superb poet, obviously, is, Oxford professor of poetry. Everyone serves. It's a community, and the trick is to get involved. If you think there aren't enough journals publishing metrical poetry, guess what? Start one that meets a need that isn't the same as the others, whatever it may be. So I've done that. And Susan and I did it together at Think. We kept it alive. Christine Urich, God bless her, had the moxie to start this thing herself. We run conferences. We give talks, and so on and so on and so on and so forth. This all needs to be done. Somebody's got to do it. If you do all of that, you'll get published, because you will then wind up in a network and a community of people who care about the same things, which is the whole point, to further the conversation, not to just collect laurels. The point is to be part of a conversation that matters and live your life that way. Ask not what poetry can do for you.